Hi friends, Ladybug here. Today we're meeting my bubbly little kitchen helper, Rye Starter. It's made from flour and water, and over time it fills with tiny helpful yeasts and friendly bacteria. They make bubbles, help bread rise, and give sourdough that tangy, tasty flavor. Compared with regular baker's yeast, sourdough starter has 3 big pros: deeper flavor, longer fermentation, and a more rustic bread texture. Long fermentation can also help break down some phytic acid, which may make minerals easier for our bodies to use. But starter has 3 little cons. It is slower, needs regular feeding, and can be less predictable than regular baker's yeast. Baker's yeast is faster and easier, but sourdough has more personality. Like this video while you're watching, or right after finishing, and subscribe to Baking with Ladybug for more cozy baking fun. Now wag your tail and let's get bubbly.